When you log on, or indeed log in, you are in fact referring to an actual wooden log. A ship's log and a captain's log or navigational logbook was originally purely a record of what happened to a log tossed overboard attached to a line. The line would have knots at regular lengths, and yes, these are the same knots that we use as a unit of speed at sea. Without any points of reference way out at sea, the idea is to let the log sit in the water and measure the ship's progress in relation to it. It's not very sophisticated, of course, but for thousands of years it was a big part of navigation. I'm Rex Helltreader, and this is The Amazing Tongue. Logs have nothing to do with mathematical logarithms, by the way, but an algorithm, on the other hand, means a series of mathematical instructions that give a result based on where you started from. In the same kind of way, you might record in a logbook the steps taken in your nautical journey to record how you wound up getting to your destination. Algorithm is not linguistically related to logarithm, but is instead a mangling of the name of the Arab merchant and author Al-Khwarizmi, famous for describing algorithms and al-jabr, or algebra. In computing, logs can be used to debug programs as they show what steps were taken to arrive at the undesirable result, and this can be the fastest way to work out where the programming went wrong. Contrary to popular opinion, computer bugs are not named after an incident involving a moth. Computer scientist Grace Hopper made a joke about the insect in question being the world's first actual computer bug, but the term bug meaning flaw in the system was used years before this point, and so the entomological etymology is merely a moth myth. Weirdly, the term catalogue is entirely unrelated to our original Norse word for a section of wood, log, instead coming from the Greek katalogos, which, just coincidentally, refers to yet another kind of listing in which items are recounted. I'm Rex Helltreader, and this is The Amazing Tongue.